In order to see your subscribers on YouTube, you want to go and log into your YouTube channel, and you can do so and confirm that by clicking on your channel icon in the upper right-hand corner here, and then make sure you're logged into the correct channel. You can go to switch account if you're not, and then you want to go to your YouTube studio. Once you're on your YouTube studio, I want you to scroll down to where you see something here that says recent activity. You can see something that says members or subscribers. Make sure that you have the one that says subscribers clicked here, and then just go to see all subscribers. Once you do that, you'll see a list of recent subscribers that have subscribed to your channel, and you'll see the time frame up here. You can click the drop-down menu to change that time frame from 7 days all the way to the lifetime of your channel. So let's just say I want to see the last year of subscribers. Here they are. I can sort them by subscriber count. I can sort them by date subscribed like so. And then if I wanted to, I could even subscribe to them here with a nice little subscribe button next to their name. And that's it. I'll have some frequently asked questions and a pinned comment down below. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.